In this topic, we will learn about evaluating expressions by substituting values for variables, particularly focusing on algebraic expressions and techniques for evaluation. Let's begin. Substitution involves replacing a variable with its value in an expression. For example, in the expression through 3x plus 4, if we substitute x equals 2, the expression becomes 3 of 2 plus 4. Step 1. Substitute x equals 2 into the expression. 3x plus 4, right arrow 2 plus 4. Step 2. Perform multiplication, 6 plus 4. Step 3. Final result, 10. Expressions can have more than one variable. For instance, to evaluate 2x plus 3y, we need specific values for both x and y. Let's see how. If x equals 1 and y equals 2, the expression becomes 2(1 plus 3(2) equals 2 plus 6 equals 8. Consider the expression 5y minus 3 with y equals 4. 5, 4 minus 3, 23 equals 17. Similarly, for 2a plus 7b with a equals 1 and b equals 2, 1 plus 7, 2 equals 2 plus 14 equals 16. It can help to simplify expressions before substituting values. For example, in 10 minus 2x, if we simplify and substitute, 10 minus 2 equals 10 minus 4 equals 6. Visualizing the substitution process provides clarity. Let's see how substituting in a graph or number line can help us understand the relationship between different values of variables. This can also illustrate function evaluation. Let's visualize the substitution process using a number line. We'll set up a simple number line to show how variables interact with values. Here we place 2 as the value. This will allow us to evaluate our expression by seeing where it lands on the number line when we substitute this value. By calculating, we can see how substituting different values shifts outputs along our number line. In conclusion, understanding evaluation through substitution is crucial in algebra. This allows us to solve equations and comprehend mathematical relationships effectively. Keep practicing different expressions to build your skills. Thank you for participating. We hope this lesson helped your understanding of evaluating expressions. Keep exploring mathematics.